Good morning, students. Now discuss differential equation. Last topic, linear differential equation. Linear differential equation. This form is dy over dx. Coefficient of dy over dx is 1 plus py equals to q, where p and q are the functions of x. Now calculate integral factor. IF means integral factor e raised to the power of integration p dx. Its solution y multiplied by integral factor q multiplied by integral factor dx. This one is answer. But two more important points. Note. First point, e raised to the power of log x means x. Second point, minus log x. This one is 1 upon x. Now discuss the questions. Question is, this is example number 19, page number 409. dy over dx minus y equals to cos x. First of all, check coefficient of dy over dx. This is 1. Now what is the value of p? P is minus 1, coefficient of y, q is cos x. Now calculate integral factor. E raised to the power of integration p dx. P is minus 1 minus x. Its solution y integral factor q dot integral factor dx. Now calculate this integration. This is equation number 1. This is written as I1. Now I1 equals to cos x dot e power minus x dx. Using by parts, first function as it is, second का integration minus first का differentiation, second का integration dx. Is it clear? Okay. Therefore, I1 equals to minus e to the power minus x cos x minus, again applying by parts. First as it is, integration of second, differentiation of first, integration of second dx. Now this is written as cos x minus e to power minus sin x minus minus plus and minus cos x e to power minus x dx. This is I1 minus e to power minus x cos x minus e to power minus x sin x minus I1. This one is I1. That means 2I1 minus e to power minus x is common, cos x plus sin x I1 equals to minus e की power minus x cos x plus sin x whole divided by from equation 1. Y e की power minus x cos x plus sin x whole divided by 2 plus c multiply divide by e की power minus sin x minus x sin x whole divided by 2 plus c e की power x is answer. Is it clear? Now example number 20. X dy over dx plus 2y equals to x square. First of all, coefficient of dy over dx is 1. That means divided by x. 2 upon x y x. Here p equals to 2 by x, q equals to x. Now calculate integral factor. Integration p dx. Value of p 2 upon x dx. E की power 2 and this is log x. This one is e की power log x square. Simple x square. Its solution y into integral factor integration q into integral factor. This is x cube. Therefore, x की power 4 upon 4 plus c is the answer. Okay. Now discuss next question. Next is example 22. 21, not in your course. There is a second type of linear differential equation, dy over dx plus y cot x equals to 2x plus x square cot x. And initial value is y equals to 0, x equals to pi by 2. dy over dx plus y cot x equals to 2x plus x square. Here is coefficient of dy over dx is 1. That means value of p is cot x. Q is 2x plus x square cot x. Integral factor e की power integration p dx. Integration cot x dx. Cot x means cos x upon sin x. That means e की power log sin x. And this is sin x is the integral factor. Its solution y integral factor q 2x plus x square cot x dx. This is I1. Okay, equation number 1. Now I1 equals to 2x sin x plus x square cos x dx. In this one is first integration as it is. Now apply in this second one by parts. Which one is first? I L A T E. ये first हो गया और ये second हो गया. Okay, is it clear? I1 equals to integration 2x sin x dx plus first as it is integration of second sin x minus differentiation of first integration of second dx. This is cancelled. Therefore, I1 is x square sin x. From first, y sin x equals to x square sin x plus c. Now substitute this initial condition. This is equation number 2. Y equals to 0, x equals to pi by 2. Sin 90 is 1 plus c equals to minus pi square by 4 from equation second. Y sin x square sin x minus pi square by 4 is the answer. Is it clear? Okay. Now discuss the questions. Question number 5. Cos square x dy over dx plus y tan x. देखो बेटा, ये इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है. आपका dy over dx का कोफिशिएंट 1 रहना चाहिए. इसे डिवाइड कर दीजिए. sec square x y and tan x sec square x. Here p equals to sec square x, q equals to tan x sec square x. Integral factor p dx, p की वैल्यू sec square x dx. sec square x का इंटीग्रेशन tan x. Its solution y integral factor इंटीग्रेट. इस टॉपिक में मेनली बाय पार्ट्स यूज होता है. अब नाउ I1 e की पावर 10x sec square x dx. Let tan x equals to t. Sec square x dx equals to dt. I1 equals to e की पावर t dt. अब इन दोनों में लगा देंगे हम बाय पार्ट्स. फर्स्ट एज इट इज इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ सेकेंड, डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ फर्स्ट, इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ सेकेंड. फर्स्ट एज इट इज e की पावर t, वैल्यू लगा दीजिए tan x e की पावर 10x. From equation number 1, from 1, y e की पावर 10x e की पावर 10x माइनस e की पावर 10x प्लस c. अब e की पावर 10x से आप डिवाइड कर दीजिए. 10x माइनस 1 प्लस c e की पावर माइनस 10x. Is it clear?